Mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Waves 1. You're listening to NWR Weather Radio from Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania on a frequency of 162.500 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon each Wednesday. This radio station, KZZ 42, serves the following counties in west central Pennsylvania: Armstrong, Clarion, Clearfield, Indiana, and Jefferson. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast. Now here is the synopsis. Below normal temperatures will continue before warming to near normal towards the end of the week. The next chance for a rewide: cloudy 15, Du Bois, cloudy 13, Erie, cloudy 19. Elsewhere around the region at 11 a.m., Williamsport. This is the National Weather Service office in State College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NWR weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. The 8 to 14-day outlook, from Wednesday, February 2nd to Tuesday, February 8th, calls for above normal temperatures and above normal precipitation.